Hi, this is Beth Styne with the Beth Styne Group. And I'm sure you might be wondering why you haven't seen me in a while, and I will tell you. And it is because my dear friend, my favorite videographer director, Bill Kerbox, has been working on Operation Recovery Maui, just as he did with Operation Recovery Malibu. He has done a tremendous job bringing attention, bringing supplies, helping people who need the help, and helping to restart that economy and get things going. And I just have to say kudos to you. You are a rock star.
Appreciate it.
Want to say something?
Yeah. We're back in Beverly Hills, LA for just a couple of days. We're heading back, but through the support of you and the ability to work with you, it allows us to take that time and go and do what we do. So thank you. Appreciate it.
My pleasure. And if you have any questions regarding Operation Recovery Maui or any real estate related questions, give me a shout. You can reach me at 310-367-3388 or at bethstein@gmail.com. Have an amazing day.
Aloha, everybody.